Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English Together. I am Nikki.
And I'm Ash. We are so happy that you are here with us today.
Today we are doing a very special long episode.
A full 1 hour friendly conversation. Yes, just like how two best friends like in real life talk. Natural, slow, and easy conversation.
And throughout the conversation, we will teach you useful English phrases, explain meaning, and help you speak confidently.
That's nice. So relax, guys. Grab your tea or coffee and don't forget notebook and let's enjoy this hour together. So Nikki, how did your day start today?
Mm, it started nicely. I woke up early today, not something I usually do.
Yes, early. That's surprising.
I know, right? I woke up around 7
Yes,
and the first thing I did was open the window. The weather was so calm.
that sound peaceful. Calm weather means quiet and pleasant weather.
Nice as exactly. And I made myself a cup of hot coffee.
Oh, great. I actually made tea today and guess what?
What?
I burn my toast.
Oh no. Again?
Yes, again. Burn my toast, it means cook too much until it's black.
Maybe you need a new toaster.
Or maybe I need to stop scrolling my phone in the kitchen.
Okay, Ash. So, what did you do next?
After breakfast, I did some recording for the channel or podcast Learn English Together. Then I clean my room a little bit.
Keyword a little bit.
Okay, okay. Maybe I clean only one corner. A little bit means not much.
I get it. Cleaning something feel like a big task.
Yes, but it feels good when the room looks fresh.
Definitely. And I actually did a small workout today.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yes, only for 15 minutes.
Still counts. Still counts means something is small but still important. By the way, what did you eat for lunch?
I made vegetable pulao today. Simple but tasty.
Oh, yummy and sounds good. I had dal rice, very basic. Basic meal, it means simple food.
But dal rice is comfort food.
Yes, yes. Comfort food always makes you happy. Comfort food, it means food that makes you feel good emotionally.
You know what? I want to eat right now.
What?
Pav bhaji.
Yes, same. Now I am hungry again.
So, Ash, what's about weekend plans?
Hmm, maybe I watch a movie, or maybe I go for a small walk.
That's nice. I think I want to go shopping this weekend.
Again,
Yes, hey, shopping is therapy. Shopping is therapy. It means it reduces stress.
I agree. Actually, do you remember last time we went shopping?
Oh, yes, you tried 10 outfits and brought only one.
Absolutely, Ricky. Because I could not decide. Could not decide, it means unable to choose.
But it was fun.
Yes, exactly. Talking about fun, remember our old school days?
Oh, yes, those are beautiful days.
We used to sit in the last bench.
And eat snacks during the class secretly.
Yes, secretly it means without other knowing.
And you know what? We were such rebels.
Not rebel, just food lovers.
So, Ash, let's teach a few useful English phrases friends often use.
Good idea. Here we go. First, what's going on? It means what happening.
Second one, I am here for you. It means I will support you.
Third, text me when you reach. It means message me after arriving.
Fourth one, take your time. It means don't rush.
And last, I trust you. It means I believe you.
These phrases are very natural and helpful. Ash, but you never say, text me when you reach. You always forgot.
Okay, okay. Sometimes I forget.
Sometimes,
Fine, most of time. Happy?
yes, very happy.
I will do better. Promise. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?
Mm, I think Switzerland.
Oh, nice. Snow, mountains, and beautiful views.
Yes. What about you?
I maybe Japan. I want to see cherry blossom.
Oh, wow. Cherry blossoms means beautiful pink flowers, famous in Japan.
Yes, exactly. They look magical.
Ash, can I ask you something?
Sure, Nikki.
What's one goal you want to achieve in your life?
Hmm, I want to more confident and learn new skills. I want to travel, meet new people, and enjoy life.
Oh, that's beautiful. And I know you can do it.
Thanks, Nikki.
My goal is to start something for my own, maybe a small business.
And you will. You are hardworking.
Thank you, Ash. That means a lot.
Means a lot. It means very important emotionally.
Ash, now let's play a quick rapid fire.
Oh no. Okay, okay. Let's
Tea or coffee?
tea,
Beach or mountains?
beach,
Morning person or night owl?
night owl,
Favorite dessert?
chocolate cake always. Let's teach some final phrases before we end.
Yes, first one, let me know. It means tell me later.
Second, sounds great. It means I like that idea.
Third one, don't stress. It means don't worry.
Fourth, I appreciate you. It means I value you.
Fifth one, take care yourself. It means be safe and healthy. We talk for more than our hour.
Time really files when you with a good friend.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
We hope you enjoy learning English with us today.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel
Learn
Learn
English
English Together.
together. See
See
you
you in
in
the
the next
next
episode.
episode.
Bye
Bye.
bye.